hope you are all doing great. I am Zaltakan Sadila and today I would like to present to you about the Smart City Waste Management System. Definition: using IoT sensor, the system automatically monitors bin capacity. It is an essential solution for large cities with high volume of waste. So, how does it work? It's actually very simple and it comes down to four main steps. First, people just throw away their trash into the smart bin like usual. Next, the built-in sensor measures the volume of the waste. Third, once the bin is full, the sensor instantly sends a real-time signal to our central system. And finally, the system automatically designs the fast route to dispatch a garbage truck straight to the location. Moving on to a real-world example. South Korea is a great country that has successfully implemented this solution. As you can see, its adoption of the smart waste system there has successfully cut operational costs by up to 83% over a significantly higher storage capacity compared to traditional system. Now let's talk about the advantages. First, it offers high operational efficiency, meaning garbage trucks only travel to bins that are actually full. Second, it improves urban aesthetic and cleanliness because we can prevent trash from piling up. And lastly, it helps reduce air pollution and optimize truck routes significantly minimize carbon emissions. On the other hand, we also need to consider the disadvantages. First, there is high initial investment cost because the sensor in infrastructure are relatively expensive. Second, there are physical security risks such as vandalism or theft, since the sensors are located outdoors. And lastly, this system is highly dependent on a stable internet connection and power supply to prevent any data interruption. Now, let's move on the challenge. The main challenge of this solution is maintaining the durability of IoT sensors in public space. We need to protect them from extreme weather exposure, physical impact, as well as vandalism or theft. To address these challenges, we have a strategic solution. We can place the sensor secretly at the top of heavy, tightly located metal bins. This clever placement ensures that the sensor remains completely out of reach from the general public, keeping them safe and secure. In conclusion, the transition from traditional waste management to a smart waste system brings a massive transformation. It not only saves fuel but also cuts collection costs by up to 83% and provides a much larger storage capacity for our growing cities. That conclusion my presentation for today. I hope this information was useful for everyone. Thank you so much for your attention. Bye bye.